light so bright, shine through night. Wake up, heart, new day start. Dreams take flight, hold on tight. In your soul, feel control. Rise up high, touch the sky. Feel the fire, never tire. Every step closer, yeah. Chase the sun, you're the no more fear, hear the cheer. Voices loud, be so proud. Rise up high, touch the sky. Feel the fire, never tire. Every step closer, yeah. Chase the sun, you're the one. Rise up high, touch the sky. Feel the fire, never tire.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Lost in the shadows, all alone. Silent tears falling. Heart turned to stone, whispers of love echo in my mind. Faded memories, a love left behind, searching for solace in the depths of despair. Torn apart, emotions too much to bear. Aching heart, like a fragile glass. Shattered dreams, now only remnants of the past. I'll sing my sorrow in every note I play. Aching melodies carry me away. In the silence, my pain I release. Through the beauty of silence, I find my peace. Oh.
Empty room, I'm standing still. Broken heart trying to heal. Silent echoes all I feel. Mind in turmoil can't conceal. Picture frames and shattered dreams. Lost that spark, or so it seems. Tears that flow like gentle streams. Love we had, now distant gleams. Ooh, why'd you go and leave me here in this empty room, caught in fear? Try to move on, but it's clear. Memories of you reappear. Lonely nights and endless sighs. Questions that don't get replies. Wishing time could just disguise all the pain behind these eyes. Can't escape the paths we made. Fading night turns into day. Every thought just leads astray, but I can't keep running. get replies. Wishing time could just disguise all the pain behind the